Yeah, there's been a lot of fun, interesting calls with various different clients, kids in the background, and also mine. It was not easy. I've got a 5-year old and a 2-year old who are very, very loud boys. And obviously, they just crave your attention. If you're in the house, they think that you're, fair game. So it's been really, really tough. And my husband's been working from home as well. And obviously, for about 6 months or 5 months, we didn't have any childcare at all. Um, so we both just had to work in the house with the children all day and take it in turns, really. I was sort of starting early in the morning and he was finishing late at night, and it was just a very crazy few months. But to be honest, the clients all understood because they were all in the same boat. My team at Global Connects have been amazing. They've been so understanding. My manager's been very, very understanding as well. At, you know, Understanding we just have to do the best we could. It was a pandemic. It was a very extreme circumstance, and we were all just trying to work from home. As soon as the nurseries and the schools reopened, I was very excited, because there was only so many times in a day that I could have my 2-year old just turning my computer off at the wall. It was it was really tough, but it was nice spending that quality time with them. I have to say, it was, there was no commuting or anything, and I could have lunch with them, and it was nice having that extra bit of time. But I was absolutely elated when school and nursery reopened, and thankfully they're still open, so it's all going well. It's been really still quite busy, to be honest, during the pandemic. I mean, the needs have changed slightly in that a lot of the court work we would have done previously was obviously put on hold. But then there was still so much communication required about putting it on hold that had to be translated. There was also lots of educational texts that had to be translated for home learning and remote learning, for all the schools, etc. So there was a huge need for that, as well as the health um, and government advice that had to be translated for everybody in Scotland. So it's been interesting. I would say probably 1 in 5 documents we've translated have had the word COVID in it. So it's been interesting times. But we've still been kept busy, and the private sector is picking up again now. They're starting to explore new areas and of business and trying to expand their portfolio a little bit as well. So I definitely see it's going to get even busier over the next wee while.